Hey friends, and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Rebecca Victoria and welcome to my creative studio. I help people to connect with their creativity in a more meaningful way and to cultivate a thriving artist mindset and explore the beautiful connection between life and art. This is a space for those who want to nurture their creativity with a more mindful and gentler approach. If this is something that resonates you, you should subscribe and stick around for more. I've always painted in oil paints, traditional oil paints, and I love them still. But with my kids around and with the nature of having to have turpentine and the linseed oil and everything, I just don't feel like it's that healthy to have around the children and to have in the air. And my son is home with me full time, so I have decided to make the switch to the water mixable oils and see if I like them and see what happens. And so far I am really loving them. I switched about 3 months ago now, I think, and I already had some colors. One of my family members actually picked out some and gave them to me as a gift like a long time ago, and I didn't really use them that much because I loved oils and I didn't really feel the need to switch. But life happens and sometimes you need to make changes for those around you as well as the benefit of yourself. So as I said, I've decided to make the switch to the water mixable oils, and I really needed some new white, and I went to the store. I went to Michael's, and I don't know if everyone knows Michael's. I know we don't have it in Australia, so it's kind of like, for Australian viewers, I'd say it's like Eckersley's and like Spotlight mixed together. So it's a really interesting combination of craft things and fine artist things, and yeah, it's just different. So anyway, I went there and I found this pack, and it has so many different colors. I hope you can see it. I found this pack and it has so many different colors, and I feel like I'm like, I don't know, a baby artist again by buying this pack, because this is usually like the starter guide pack. It's obviously the bigger one. Ooh, I haven't opened it yet. So I'm so excited to get stuck into it and use these colors. There's so many different colors that I haven't used in this type of paint, and I decided to continue with the Winsor & Newton Artesian set because I already had a few and I really like the texture of the paint and the way that it paints on. I don't need my paint to be really like thick and clumpy. I don't mind if it's like a little bit looser, and I often add a ton of medium to my paint anyway because I like to paint that way, and I find it easier to put the paint on the canvas that way. So I'm so excited to try all these different colors. Oh my gosh, this is going to be awesome. I think this is really going to change up my studio practice again by having such a vast variety of colors at my fingertips, and I'm so excited. I have tons of oils, which I can show you, but sorry, I think I only had like 10 to 12 different colors in the water mixable set. So I'm so excited. They're so pretty. I'll just show you like this. Try not to drop them. So that's the first lot. And then this is the second lot. Ah, they're so beautiful. I'm like, I don't even want to try them because I don't want to mess them up. That's so messed up. I don't know. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Ah! Okay. And these are 12 ml tubes, so they're not huge, but I don't know if I'm going to love every color, so it works really nicely. I'm not gonna be too worried about how much I use or anything, and the ones that I love, I will obviously just buy the bigger tube when I need to, so I can't wait. I hope you enjoyed this video of my little chat. I will check back in a few months and tell you how it's going because I'm so excited. Okay, bye.